And this is a Malaysian team with a Kalisa. All Malaysian team, all Malaysian drivers. And this is all the OKU team. And another Japanese team. This is Honda K car. Okay, another Malaysian and Singapore. Another Malaysian team with the Daihatsu Coupon. More Malaysian teams. Class 2. Oh, this is actually a Malaysian Taiwan team. Malaysia and Taiwan drivers combination. So basically you can see this is a very simple preparation for this 24-hour race from this team. And this is our professional drivers. Good morning. In this race actually is a kind of friendly match or club race, so you no need to be very serious. Just race for 24 hours like Le Mans endurance race, but you just enjoy with all the kit car or all the K car. So let's go for have a look more for the coupe car here. So this is another kit car. One of the popular K car racer in Japan. GK Gallery Creator. One of my favorite, Ferrari from the 70s, but this is not Ferrari, it's a K car. It's a very fun event, so everybody just have fun. No need to be so serious. at the F40, man. They are ready to roll out for the morning practice. Look at this one, how small this F40. This is a F40 by running a supervisor. Classic Le Mans race car, which is I think this kind of car we can't get in Asia, I mean the real one, so they will do the replica, and I think Japan have the most replica of the Le Mans car, but in the K car series. So we have more teams in here, in Malaysia team, and Garage Black Dog from Japan. This is one of the popular K-car team. So the practice session has started, and now they go for practice before the race start. They only got about 2-3 hours, maybe less. So let's check it out more, see what they have in the pit lane. Malaysian Kancil. This is our Malaysian team with a kancil. Look at the 24 hours race team, is so simple. Another Malaysian team. Aviva A50. Oh, Porsche. Here we go. There's the Porsche. Until the next video, we'll bring you more. Maybe we can more feature or go to the check out the K4 GP car in the nearest look, see how they do and what they do to build a replica of this Le Mans 24-hour race car. So till next video, see you again.